Hi, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be practicing the whole stretch while sitting over our mat. So we will begin with stretching our arms in front of the body and then on top of the body. We'll try to stretch all the big muscles, including the small ones. So the side stretches are extremely important. It helps in stretching the entire shoulder, arms, side core, major core, the entire oblique muscles, while keeping the shoulder blades completely stretched out. And this also releases all the stress from our upper back. Don't forget to practice from both the sides. And here, when you overlap your arms one over the other, right first and then the left. And always remember to practice shoulder rolls because they give extreme mobility in our shoulders. So as an adult, we store a lot of stress in and around the shoulder while using laptop, computer, mobiles, and not only that, doing all the other activities. So it's extremely important to stretch our upper spine, shoulder blades. And now once you feel ready, you can wide open your leg and keep them as spreaded as possible in front of your body and stretch a bit more. And in this way, you are engaging your core while keeping the hamstrings and hips stretched too. Stretch out completely and keep breathing. And when you feel ready, stretch your leg in front of the body. Stretch your toes. Relax your knees. Stretch your hamstrings. Relax your calves. And keep breathing. Try to keep sit bones as much as possible over the mat. And now come over your toes and release it out. The balance might look hard, but keep breathing and keep trying. Once you feel ready, give it a grind on your toes. You won't regret, I promise. And stretch out. And here we practice a kind of rolls where we keep our core engaged, and we call this as Chakki Sanchalan Asana. And you are as if grinding something using your hands, and where you keep your feet active, legs engaged. This basically stretches your whole leg but also your core. So keep breathing and do it clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. And then comes some time to stretch out, and this is like you're holding a rope and you are taking one hand up while keeping another in front of your body. It's a great way to create a lot of active stretch over your upper body while keeping the lower body completely active stretched. And here you practice some twists, but remember to keep your toes pointed towards you. Keeping them engaged will keep a great check over your hamstrings. And do not forget to add some extra movements if your body feels comfortable to take them with the help of twisting it. And once you feel ready, you can come all over your fours to practice cat and cow stretch, Marjorie Asana. This is an excellent way to stretch out your entire spine as well as your arms and your knees and your glutes. In fact, I'll say the entire body. And when you feel ready, stretch a bit more and relax as you see me in the video. Don't forget to Spend some time at any point of the time in any pose wherever you feel, taking few more breath to connect with yourself. And the main logic and the practice revolves around the breathing. So keep breathing. Do not rush through any pose to the other, and stretch your neck as much you can, but be very gentle with it, and spend some time at this pose and breathe up to 1 minute or probably 5. And keeping eyes closed will help you to connect with your breath even more. And whenever you feel ready, rub your palms and come out of the pose. I hope you enjoyed practicing with me. And if you have liked anything in this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Keep practicing, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.